My name is Mohamad Rajab. I'm from Germany. I'm a teacher at a vocational school. My subject is mainly chemistry, but I also teach environmental technologies. The main reason or my motivation to join this university school here is to get theoretical and practical knowledge about the climate change and the implementation at school level, and to get more information from other colleagues how they implement such topic in the school. I would say now the teacher handbook, what we used during this university summer school, and with a lot of variety of experiment and theoretical information, this was one of the most important points in this course. And the visit to the local school here was also very important for me. There are many activities, but I can imagine one of the most important activities will be to teach or to implement some of the activities in this book in a cooperation project between our school and a school in Kenya, where I can very well imagine to implement such experiment, even online. This is a very challenging question. I will use two words. Number one, informative. Number two, empowering.